Beautiful large one bedroom in Briarwood. This is entrance. On the right is a coat closet, double door closet. This is the living room, a large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. It's the kitchen with the dining area. You can put a dining table here. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets, a lot of counter space. Comes with a dishwasher, more counter space, windows in the kitchen. It's the bedroom, a large bedroom. You can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. It comes with two closets. There's one here, another one here. This is the linen closet. Bathroom all renovated, very clean, beautiful tiles. Beautiful apartment. Few blocks from the express train, near banks, restaurant, grocery shops, near the E&F train, express train on Main Street and Queens Boulevard. And the apartment is very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.